morning. Today I came to a marvelous place to show you one thing that I learned this weekend. This weekend I went to Petrópolis and I had to get in and out of the bike a lot to take pictures for you guys, and I discovered that you can do a little trick with the seat to make it easier. I came here to a beautiful place to see the sunrise. Let's talk about seat height. Seat height is very important because it protects your knee and gives you the most efficient way to pedal. In the road bike, as you know, I ride in my road bike also. We do a bike fit. A bike fit is a guide that have a lot of equipment that put you in the best position to pedal. So the most efficient way, the way that you're not gonna hurt yourself, you cannot do this in the Brompton. The easy way to find out the height, your seat height, is put your heel on your pedal like this, and you straighten your leg sitting in your saddle. What happens is when you use your toes, not the toes, but this part here, this is where you should pedal, always over here, right here. That's why when you ride a road bike, the clip is right here. That's the place that you're gonna have more control, and the place you're gonna have more efficiency. You'll not hurt yourself, okay? And when you pedal, please pedal here. Pedal here. It's very dangerous. The place that you should be. Look. I know it looks silly, but it makes a big difference. So this is the way you put your seat height in a place that you're gonna pedal most efficiency and not hurt your knee. But if you're not gonna pedal a lot, you're getting in and out of the bike like I did in Petrópolis, it's better to lower just half a finger, one finger like this or like this. That's good enough. So you can put your foot straight in the ground. It makes it easier if you're getting in and out and in and out and in and out, you know. But if you're gonna pedal, please put it high. It's gonna protect you. It's gonna give you a better ride. I know when you stop and you put your foot down, you have to put it like this when it's this high. But it's much safer for your knees, for your body, for your posture. Because the Brompton, the only thing you can regulate is the seat, it's the saddle. You're gonna move much the handlebars. You have to choose the right one for you. There are 4 of them, so you have to choose it right. Actually, if you do want to see a video about it, just tell me in the comments, because that's another video. Today is just a short one, just to give you a tip to not injure yourself and ride it better and easy. And if you do like the videos, as you know, I don't have the right day to publish it, so get the little bell. This little bell helps you to know, tells you which day the video is out, so you can see it. Look how beautiful it is. A lot of surfers today. They're swimming. There's a guy that's swimming, is gonna swim here. See? I used to be a swimmer, and we used to train. We used to get out all the way from there and swim all the way here. Oh, it's a beautiful swim. Small boat. I looked away. Oh, it's a little tip, but it helps a lot. If you have to stop and go back riding like I did in Petropolis, because I had to take a lot of pictures and film a lot of places, so it does help. Anyway, enjoy yourself, keep riding, keep safe, keep healthy, and have a nice day. I forgot to tell you, I have an Instagram account with only photos of my Brompton, my cherry blue Brompton. It got its name because I was in New York and there was a cherry blossom and it was so beautiful. And I have a little bag on front, a oat leaf bag that has a cherry color. So that's why the cherry blue Brompton. Enjoy it. It's a lovely Instagram account.